As long as I live, your girl will never sit down in somebody's chair for all them hours and get her hair braided, plaited, or anything. For what? When you got alternatives like these. Hey boo, welcome back to my channel. Hey boo, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome. Girl, get into what I'm doing here. You see me on my wig reviewing you know how them wig reviewers do it in the beginning of their videos. Girl, get into it. Yes. Okay, so this unit was sent by a company by the name of Neat and Sleek. It's the colors for me. So it came with a little stock card. They gave you all your information. And this is Leia. Or is it Leah? I don't know, child, to each his own. But this is their knotless box braided lace front wig. Girl, do you see that ombre? So I just want to show you the construction of the wig. Sis, I see how you looking. This is not a full lace wig. This is a 13x6 lace frontal. So that's why it's giving, it needs a touch-up vibes in that area right there. It's like track hair, or maybe it's sewn on. I don't know, but it's perfect, sis. It's the fact that they are the same size throughout the entire wig for me. How many times we done sat in them people in them chair and they done got to the middle and got real lazy and started doing them bigger? Not the case with this unit, boo. So as you can see, it already came with an elastic band attached. And it had like a bra strap style. I ain't never seen that before, but that was neat. It has 3 combs, one to the back, one to the right side, one to the left side, towards the front. It's the fact that the knot's already bleached, and so is the lace for me. This is so that it blends a little bit better with your skin tone. Girl, at this moment, I realized I was on my bald-headed host, so don't mind me. In case anybody's wondering, this braided wig is made with a virgin human hair lace front wig. The braid strands are handmade with 100% synthetic premium Kanekalon fiber. Is it Kanekalon? Kanekalon. Girl, don't get me the line, but I always said Kanekalon, so that's what we're going with. Okay, so it's time to cut off the lace. I just pretty much use that anchor braid that they have for baby hairs and follow that to remove the lace. Even though they already bleached the knots, your girl still went in and used her Sally Hansen. This is my go-to for making my units blend with my skin tone so that I don't have to bleach the knots. Okay, so it's time for me to try the unit on now that I done cut the lace off. Oh hell, it's lunch break, child. Tell me where else you can get a wig review with a little mukbang as well. Nowhere but here, sis. You seen it here first. You know your girl greedy. I'm normally not the one to glue down my units because I like to be able to snatch them the hell off when I'm ready to. But for the people them, I go ahead and do it. Now right there, girl, I accidentally cut too damn far up. But, you know, I just shifted the wig and, you know, now I went back in and trying to basically just cut off the excess lace so I can align it comfortably around my ear. Come on, Kira. Girl, you clearly see I'm a little scared to cut the little piece that's left right there. Oh, goddamn, by time, child, by time. So I went ahead and took my Got To Be Glued spray, sprayed it up. You know the routine. Put a little heat to it or cool, whichever one you prefer. Wait till it get tacky. I do maybe 2 of that, and then I go ahead and press it down to hold. And you just repeat the same steps on the other side of the wig. I just want to take this time to say that this company lives up to its name, okay? Everything about this unit was neat, sleek, no flyaways. The sizing was perfect. The only thing I wish was a bit more fuller. Child, I don't know who they get to braid this little braid down in the front, but it took forever to get it loose. Okay, so sis, I'm really not the type that like to have the baby hairs that take over your whole damn forehead. I like to have them as thin as possible. A lot of us don't even got none. You know what I'm saying? So I like it to be believable, basically. So I'm going in and I'm pretty much just hand removing some, pulling them out from the lace and cutting down the baby hairs because, honey, we do not need that much. I realized I need to get the tweezers before I damn rip the lace, so that's what I'm doing here. Sis, why you ain't remind me to get the Windex to clean the damn mirror off before I got on camera? It's all good. I done said it, so now nobody else don't have to. Okay, so to lay down my edges, I used the Lottie Body Mousse and the Yummy Plus. Yeah, that's them right there that you see on the screen. I'm gonna have all these in the description box in case y'all want to purchase them from Amazon as well. I forgot to mention that I'm not a professional. People be wanting to come for you. I'm just showing you what works for me. I don't know if you realize, but your girl was on the struggle bus trying to do them edges, so I had to get off camera and handle that. Shout out to Silky Sacks behind the melt down with this lace here. I'm going to have her information in the description box down below. I absolutely love this unit. I didn't know what to expect because of the color, but do y'all see? Do you see the ombre that this is giving against this melanin? The meltdown is real. The parting is real. It's not all the way down your ass, so you ain't got to be worried about sitting on it when you go to the toilet. It's believable. Keep it real. Would you have known that this was a wig had I not told you? Okay. I ain't think so, girl. I'm giving scalp. I'm giving, I just sat in somebody's chair for about 5 hours. I'm giving vacay summer soleil. I literally have no complaints about this unit. I want to thank Nice and Sleek for sending this unit over to me. Everything about this unit as well as the company will be down in the description box down below. Child, I want to thank you so very much for sticking it out with me. Until next time, later.